Okay, so good evening, everyone. Today we have with us Mr. Anand Munshiji. He is experiential corporate facilitator, outbound trainer to small and large team of multinational companies, a business simulation coach to Fortune 500 companies, top leadership, bringing employee engagement and personal effectiveness, author of three best-selling books and life coach columnist. Very nice, sir. So many feathers on your hat. Anand is known to conduct live, engaging, and inspiring sessions. Be it keynote speech or full day corporate training, he got the knack of engaging the audience to bring the joy of learning. All his work revolve around working with top management in leadership, innovation, strategic mindset, executive coaching, developing coaches, train the trainer, building high performing, motivating, and engaged team. Wow. So we have with us, with lot many feathers on his hat, Mr. Anand Munshi, sir. Over to you, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. And it's my honor and it's a pleasure to be here. I see still people are joining, so I think we can give few more minutes. But while we are here, I would like to take a small opportunity to get introduced to all the participants. So I see some of them are having their name as Redmi. So it will be nice if you can change your name so that we can start talking to you. All right, so let me start with Murthy Audore. Murthy, could you like to introduce yourself, please? I
Hey,
would
good
like to
evening,
see your
Anand.
face as well, if you that's okay. If you can enable the video, that will be nice.
Yeah, sure. Give me a moment.
Sure.
Yeah, good evening, Anand. This is Murthy here. So I'm into biomedical equipments and with over 2 decades of corporate banking experience, worked with Bank of America and Wells Fargo with my job last September, and I have joined my sister's company. So that's about me. So I have been a train the trainer, and I'm a green belt certified, and I am an in-house train the trainer, and attended quite a few courses from Stephen Covey, and completed my Vantage course from Cambridge
Wow.
University.
I
Yeah,
don't know what
thank
you're doing in this session, that you are already so
you.
evolved and so experienced in that way. So please
See,
tell me
basically,
more.
Anand, the funny thing is, though I am in the corporate side and have traveled abroad, so I don't have a Facebook account, Twitter, Instagram, or anything. I'm only on WhatsApp. So I am trying to build up my, make my presence felt on the social media, and I'm just learning the trick. I have attended one earlier session by the Neeta madam, and I liked it very much. Missed yesterday's session. So that's about it. So I want to learn more about how to reach out to more number of people. So I have some product. So I just want to reach out to more people through this medium. Yeah. Thank you so much for the opportunity.
Look, when it comes to developing your presence on social media, I think Neeta is doing fantastic because the way she has set up, I has gone through the website. It was very nicely done in a very simple way. See,
Okay.
any Tom, Dick, and Harry make things complicate, but
Okay.
you require someone simple, genuine person to make it simple. So, Neeta, I think that's small input from my end. That's how the site looks. So, I think you're in the safe hands with Neeta. Fantastic. Thank you very much for
Yeah.
taking time out for doing this. Very nice.
Thank you so
Okay.
much.
Now I am seeing Satish Kumar. Hello, Satish ji. How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Very nice.
Are you?
Please take a moment to just talk about you.
Okay. I'm Satish Kumar from New Delhi. Basically from Chennai, but staying in Delhi for the past 30 years, and had the
Okay.
opportunity to work uh, in private and limited companies for 25 years in customer care backup supports. So now currently I have done Reiki up to teachers level. So now I'm trying to put my hands on that. So I'm trying to find the platform so that I can enhance my this healing skills as well as help the people also. So
I think that's a very good,
that is one of
good intention you have got there. That's very nice.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Any expectation you have, Satish, from the session today?
You see, I'm just into this. Today's our fourth day with the madam, and yesterday she introduced one Anjali madam, and today with you that as a public speaker. It's very nice. As I can hear your word, very. I mean, अगर हिंदी में बोलूं तो बहुत ही अच्छा लग रहा है आपको देख के और सुन के.
क्या बात है सतीश जी, आप रहते दिल्ली में हो, चेन्नई के हो, हिंदी बात कर रहे हो. एवरीथिंग इज वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग अबाउट यू.
ये सर मेरा सौभाग्य है, मेरे पिताजी इंडियन एयरफोर्स में थे, तो उनकी सारी पोस्टिंग नॉर्थ में ही हुई है, तो मेरी सारी जो शिक्षा सब कुछ है वो हिंदी और इंग्लिश मीडियम में हुई है. तो मैं अपने आप को तो हिंदुस्तानी बोलता हूँ, मैं एक हिंदी राष्ट्रीय भाषा वाला आदमी.
I really appreciate. Thank you very much for taking time to come to this. Really appreciate. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
So, Rupa Shri MK. Rupa Shri, how are you?
I'm fine, sir. I'm from Karnataka. I'm an Ayurvedic doctor, practicing since 23 years.
Okay.
I have my own center at Karnataka. I want to come digitally. I have my own products of Ayurveda. So I want to market it. So I want to know all the marketing ideas and everything. So that I joined this Neeta's madam's this one.
Fantastic. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for coming in. Okay. Sharmi Mitra. Hello, Sharmi ji. How are you?
Hello. Today is the first time I'm attending the session, so I want to introduce myself. I'm an MBA. I started my career with HDFC in Mumbai, and then I was with Centurion Bank, and I have also worked abroad in Switzerland for 6-7 years. And thereafter in HT in Delhi, HT Media, that is Hindustan Times, then Medical Gadgets, Boston Scientific. That's like 5 companies. And then I have been with Aviva Life Insurance for the last 9 years as a financial planning advisor. I'm an independent consultant with various ministries for projects, startup projects, like with the Ministry of Renewable Energy, Tourism, Hospitality, IT, e-vehicles, and such. At present, I'm also a Posh trainer, Posh consultant. And I am a design thinker, a practitioner. I'm just enrolled with them, as well as I'm launching my online classes because I have. So I'm. Can you hear me? Am I audible?
Yeah, right now, yes.
Please repeat what you said in last 15 seconds. Last 15 seconds, please.
Yes, sir. Voice was breaking.
Last 15 seconds, your voice was breaking.
I see. I also certified in German from Max Muller, which is the Goethe Institute in New Delhi, Max Muller Bhavan. So on the basis of which I'm just beginning my basic module in online German classes. It could be for corporates, for people who have just joined a company and are providing backend services, or those who are going to go to Germany or anywhere in Europe, or German-speaking parts of Europe, to work in a company. It's for them, or even school children. So that's something I'm going to launch now. And I said I'm also a Posh consultant and a Posh trainer. Posh, as you know, is the prevention of sexual harassment. It's an act at the working place for women. So companies are allowed, the corporates are allowed to constitute a committee to look into the complaints of both the parties, and they also need independent person, a woman. So there, I've also put up my application on various portals. So I get work from there also. That's my profile.
Do you have time? Do you have time to have enough sleep? I'm just trying to put my finger on one thing. You're everywhere. You're everywhere on the map. Is it not true, Neeta? I was just listening to her. And what you're doing here, honestly, tell me why you are here on this session. Tell me.
Something new, maybe something to learn that I don't know as yet. That's why.
Look, I'm working on my sense
Well,
of
I
humor,
have an
Sharmila.
interest. I have an interest in public speaking. For example, like I had started Toastmasters. I'm sure you know about the Toastmasters Club. So I had attended a few sessions with the Toastmaster, and I had learned various forms of speech. So now and again, I'm required to take a platform and speak in the public. So anything to talk to people who are also facing the same challenges of being on the podium and having to speak with many people at the same time, it always helps. Even if I'm teaching, I'm in a meeting, that's also part of public speaking. I'm not talking to my family members, but I'm addressing a public meeting. Or suddenly I'm in a company where I don't know the people, but I have to go and talk. So this art is definitely going to help me if I'll learn this art.
Thank you. I think this is how we welcome you here. So, guys, please join me. Sharmi will be here. It's going to be a big asset for us. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
And we appreciate you coming all the way here. Now, Shweta Harsulkar. Shweta, how are you? And where are you?
I'm doing fine, sir.
So, uh, please introduce yourself.
I am Shweta Harsulkar. I am Neeta ma'am student.
Okay.
And
We all are Neeta
otherwise,
ma'am student here.
I am otherwise a technical writer,
Okay. What you write?
technical documents,
Okay.
product
I think
documents,
you're
and
with your child there as well, right? He or she is also attending the session, is it?
two of them are right behind me. That's why I put myself on mute.
Okay. Beautiful. Look, I understand. This is such an amazing opportunity, and I really applaud your courage and conviction to upgrade yourself. So please feel welcome, and I'm sure this is going to be a very experiential one. So thank you very much coming here. So Redmi, please, you go ahead next.
Excuse me, sir.
I think we have to do a little quicker now so that we get chance. I want all of you to speak at least. So because this is all about public speaking and this is the best way. So if Redmi is not responding, Veena Patil, Priyanka Kale, who wants to go first? Am I audible?
Hello, sir.
Yes, sir.
Hello, Priyanka. How are you?
Hello, sir. Good evening.
Good evening. Please introduce yourself.
Yes, I'm Priyanka Kale. I'm a software engineer, but I don't have any work experience. Currently, I'm doing teachers training course with Neeta ma'am.
Are based in Pune, is it?
Yes, I'm from Pune.
But such a calm and composure of your presence, and that is so important for someone who wants to learn something. So that's very nice. I wish you all the very best. And you did your engineering from which college then?
From Sanjeevani College of Engineering, Kopargaon, near Shirdi.
Nice. Coming all the way here.
Hello, sir.
Should we start the session? You will you will take introduction of each and every participant?
I think, what do you think?
Because now it's already 6:15.
Okay.
And
So we're expecting more people, or shall we start? I don't know how many people will be joining. So that's the reason I was
that's
taking
fine.
the.
Whatever number of people are there, we may start because now it's already 15 minutes we have crossed. So
Okay.
whoever have joined, we should not spend their time, or because time is diamond money, everything. So they are
Yes.
giving us time. So if you want to interact with each and every participant, that's okay, but it should not be a time wasting. So we may start, and in between, you may interact with each and everyone. So if at all a name in short, if they are telling about their name and all that, that's fine. If you'd like to go
Sure.
for, no problem at all. From my end, there is no
All right.
problem, but not spend other people's time.
No problem at all. So what we do now, quickly get into the crux of the things. So what we do, can you please enable my audio, sorry, screen share, please.
Okay, yes, I'll do. Just a minute.
While Neeta madam is doing the screen share, Sharmi Mitra ji, this is Murthy here. I would like to know more details about POSH. After this training, can you share me the details? How do I get certified and go about it?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
I
Thank
can
you so
tell
much.
you. Should I
Yeah.
tell you later on or now?
Yeah, later
I'll
on.
let you know. If you send me your email or phone number, I'll let you know.
Yeah, sure. Yeah, thank you so much.
So, Neeta ji, host now, good.
I have given you host, sir. So in between, if participants are joining, so you need to admit them also.
Okay.
Will it be possible for you, sir? Admitting the participants?
Maybe
if
you
at
make
all?
a co-host. You become a co-host. Is that possible?
Now
See, I
I
will
have.
do it, but sometime if I'm speaking, then maybe they are waiting. I don't know.
Okay. So now you are host. Now you need to check. I can't see that option now. I have already given you complete right of host. Anyways, you may start the session. Otherwise, you may interact with the participants if at all you want. I just interrupt you so that we should not waste much of the time.
Look, I don't know how to make you the co-host, so I will let them in whenever they are coming. Okay.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
All right. Beautiful. Okay, guys. So, is my screen visible to all of you there?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes,
All right.
sir.
Now, one of the purpose when we interact with others, especially in the introduction, is to understand whom we are talking. Whom we are talking. Because the more I know about you, the more I know what I have to tell you. This is such an important and a fundamental thing about public speaking. So public speaking is not about how much I know. Well, it is part of it. But fundamental thing is the people that I'm addressing, what they are, where they are coming from, what are their understanding. This also makes things different. So guys, if you can go on video mute as well, if you disable your thing, that will be nice because it's sometimes it's a distraction and also it brings down. Okay, see, public speaking is such a fantastic science and art. It requires both aspect of your life, your artistic thing as well as how to deal with this in a very scientific way. I want to take you back to 1925, and that's where Hitler has once said, the people who want to rule over the world, they should be exceptionally high public speakers. If you are going to rule over the world, you should be a great public speaker. And we say this all around. We see the people who are into the public ranks, the people who are politically very strong, they all share one thing in common. And this is what I call as the public speaking. Now, some people say, I'm not going to be in politics. I don't need to be a public speaker. I am not going to do this. I don't have to be a public speaker. But the reality is every day, every minute, every second, you are communicating. Yes or no? You are communicating. And it is important to understand this simple and most powerful act. Can anybody tell me what the first communication you ever did with this world? Can anybody tell me? The first communication you did with your team, with your people around?
With the mother.
With the mother. Who is that?
It's Mahi.
Okay. Mahi, just please tell me, what's that first communication you did?
It's basically connecting with her on an emotional level. And,
Right.
and of course, a physical level, emotional level, physical level, the eyes that connect when you see your mother for the first time, that is...
Could you please introduce yourself as well? Thank you.
So first communication is about our need when we as a child, we were born, and at that moment of time, I was hungry. At that moment of time, I would have communicated with my mother. So that is what is first basic need of communication is when I would like to communicate my needs, my wants. At that moment of time, I really need to communicate with people. So that was my first communication. That is what I think is.
Okay. All right. Mahi, could you please introduce yourself because I want to know more about you.
Well, hi, I'm Mahi Ranjaneel, and I have done my MBA. Post my MBA, I realized that I'm not very good with the politics that you just mentioned. So I called it quits and tried my hands on everything that I could put my hands on, which was definitely creative, from dancing to acting to public speaking to anchoring. So I finally landed up anchoring events. I realized that I'm good at that, but it was a Saturday, Sunday job. So I was free during the week, for which I started doing my Reiki healing and pranic healing. And eventually, as Corona happened about 2 years back, I had an opportunity to do an MA in psychology. So I decided to choose that subject, left my anchoring career, which was again Saturday, Sunday I can do. And college was weekdays. Once I got over with it, Corona made me realize I need to be online. So I wasn't online. I was doing everything on word of mouth. And I realized that I should be somewhere in the market to online hi zaruri hai. So I happened to see Neeta ma'am's workshops and did one odd workshop. And then I decided to do this one as well.
Oh, beautiful. Thank you. Thank you very much. Now, may I request all the participants, if possible, they can grab a pen and a notepad to write on, because some golden statements will be coming, and it's up to you if you really want to use this, memorize this, or use this wisdom to form your opinion in the future. Okay? These are from different walks of life. So as they come, I will just keep sharing that with you. Okay. The first one is coming from Abraham Lincoln. Abraham Lincoln, I consider him the master of public speaking. It is so bad that we could not record his discussions, but they are all crafted into the world's best speeches ever given. And his top speeches are there. What he told is very, very fundamental again. What he said, I spent 5 hours in sharpening the saw and 1 hour in cutting the woods. Okay. So basically what he's saying is, again, he said, I spent 3/4 of my time in understanding the audience and only 1/4 in talking about it. I repeat, 3/4 of the time just to understand whom I'm talking to, Verma, Sharma, Kapil Dev, Gavaskar, I don't know. And only 1/4 of the time in finding out what they need to know. So public speaking, in a sense, is more about relevance. It's more about relevance, and it's more about relevance. It has got the dictionary part of it. It has got the science part of it, which will go to the later. But the important thing is, if I'm speaking with the best of my knowledge on a topic that you're least interested in. Now tell me how many of you are interested in making aam ka achar? Can I see the hands, please? Are you? Is there anyone who would like to know how to make aam ka achar? Oh my God. Oh my God. I think we should change the topic, how to make aam ka achar, right? But again, if I tell you 5 ways to beat your manager or 5 ways to kill someone, and if I'm speaking very nicely with good public speaking fundament, I won't have any audience. So the 0th law, not even the first law, the 0th law is understand your audience. Understand your audience no matter what. That will give you such an important edge. See, now anything has to do with German, immediately Sharmi will come to my role. If anything that has to do with anchoring, I can immediately see Maya. If anything that has to do with software engineering, I can see that lovely little girl. What's her name? I forgot. What's your name? Shweta. No, it was Shweta? Priyanka, I think. Priyanka. If anything it has to do with Murthy, I can have to think about what he was so good at. He was into banking and finance. I can make very important discussions whom I'm talking to. And this is such a subtle way. And at the end of the day, you will think, how come he knows everything? Because I knew. So I want to spend as much as time understanding your needs. So Lincoln was my guru, and it's no problem if you can consider him as well. He is the fundamental. He spent a lot of time what to talk and then how to talk. What to talk, this is the second point of your notes. What to talk and then how to talk. Okay, Neetaji, you said something?
Yeah, we are having only 3 minutes. Within this 3 minute, meeting may stop. So it should not stop abruptly. That's why I just want to give instruction to the participant that we have to reconnect, rejoin the meeting through the same link. Okay, and it will take some time because recording is on. So it may take 2 to 3 or 5 minute max to complete the conversion process. So before it stops, just I'm telling you, and sorry for interruption. And sir, if you really want to get the introduction of all the participants, I don't have any issue. So you may go through all the participants introduction part and then you may start the session. No problem. In the second round, you may have remaining participants introduction because you want to understand the participants. No, if it's so important, then please continue the round and then restart. Okay, sir. So now it's 2 minutes.
Okay.
So Neetaji, interruption. Murthy here. 1 second. Neetaji, if you try with a new email, if you try with a new email ID every time, you get uninterrupted sessions of Zoom. So I tried that earlier.
Acha, is it like that?
Yeah. I know, Murthy, you are up to something.
Okay.
Yeah, seriously.
I have a question for Sharmi.
Because initially it gives unlimited time, no? Yeah, I know. 3-4 times it used to give. I will do
so
that.
Give a different email ID every time you get unlimited access. Thank you.
Yes. Thank you so much. Next time, tomorrow I will do that. Huh? Thank you so much. So now it's last 1 minute. So better, I think we should leave this meeting and start.
I have a question for Sharmi.
Okay,
I have a question for Sharmi.
Yes, I'm listening.
Yes. Sharmi, when was the last time you had a big laugh? When was the last time you really had a big laugh? Tell me. You look so serious, just like as if you're presenting the United Nations organizations, some women's power, something like this. You laugh regularly, or is it just because someone prompts you like this? Are you a serious person in your life?
No, I don't laugh. It's been a long time. It's been a long time.
I tell you one thing. There is no fun in medicine. There is no fun in medicine, but there is a lot of medicine in fun. Yes.
That's true.
Yes. So we all have to laugh whenever we get chance. Okay. So now the final 1 minute is on. I'm sorry about this stupid crap. I think we have to talk to Zoom about this. But meanwhile, we just have to take a deep breath, say thanks, because we got so much to thank to the person at the top. Somebody calls him God, somebody calls him something else. If you think he's a God, let's thank him. Let's close our eyes and we join in 1 minute's time.
So should we end this meeting now?
Yes, please. Thank you.
Okay. So it will take 3, 4 or 5 minutes. Then try. Okay. Thank you. See you again within 5 minutes.